Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Shoes Collection. So how are you my friends, my dear subscribers and my beautiful viewers? I hope that you will watch shoes ideas every day on my channel. Buy shoes or follow the trend, as till now I have shared many shoes video with you. In the last video, I have shared different shoes designs. In all the designs, I have shared different shoes designs ideas. I hope you will like my video and subscribe to the channel. Even if you have not done so, please do, because if you want to stay in the fashion trend and want to keep the fashion community, you can take many ideas from my channel. This channel is all about footwear, shoes designs, ideas. Footwear helps our personality to a great extent in shaping our fashion. Many people do not have the knowledge to choose fashion footwears or shoes because they do not follow any fashion channel. They do not follow the trend and they make fun of themselves because of their bad fashion. You can buy these shoes online or offline for anywhere, any marketplaces, any market and online websites. But before buying the shoes, check everything carefully to avoid getting scammed online. Do not click on any fake link and do not share your information with anyone. Or at the time of buying shoes, choose the size, color, or whether the shoes are comfortable or not. Or they choose the shoes but by looking at their design or color, or they do not immediately think whether they are comfortable, soft, or just like them, not taking like that at all. If you do not pay attention to the stones while buying shoes, they can bite your shoes, which can cause pain in your feet. Therefore, while buying shoes, it is important to check the material and keep in mind its softness. I hope you would like my information or to guide every subscriber. My aim is to give correct information to every viewer because I don't want to make the same mistake while wearing shoes or feel bad. Then you can also do it because you are my subscriber, my viewers, and I consider it my job to take care of your preference. So only choose the right shoes before purchasing. Check the shoes material, check the shoes softness, comfortable, and choose everything for footwear because the footwear choose right shoes is very important to your lifestyle. That's why choose a very comfortable, soft fabric material, and always keep in mind that choose the shoes you have. It's a good material, and shoes you have choose to very comfortable. If you are choose wrong shoes, so you can pain and shoe bite in your feet. Don't choose wrong shoes, wrong footwear. Don't select any wrong footwear to your feet. I hope you are a fashion lover, footwear lover, shoes lover. That's why you are watching this video. I am a very big fan of shoes and footwear collection. I wear very comfortable shoes, very soft designs, and when I purchasing the shoes, I check the material of shoes and their softness and their comfortability. I have checked very carefully because it's of my footwear, so that's why I check the material and comfortability and the softness of footwear. So if you buying footwear, that you have check all these things. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like this information. So don't forget to like this video. Whenever you write something nice in a comment, you send me a heart, then I feel that I have earned my viewers. Whenever you write a nice comment, I feel very happy or get inspiration. So please like the video or comment. My heart will definitely send it. Please one heart emoji send me in comment box. I have so happy. And shoes, choose the shoes, right shoes. While choosing shoes, choose according to your lifestyle. If you want to wear flat or low height shoes for daily uses, belly is a good option for public events. You can choose heavy material shoes for wedding or festivals, because you can adjust heavy shoes to wear for a short period or even improve your fashion. So, how did you like my video? Do tell me in the comment. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments. I replied to your question, and if you have any question and you tell me what, so you tell me in, you can comment me, and please give me, send me one heart emoji of the comment box. Whenever you send me a heart in comment box, so I feel very happy and I feel so good when I have seen your comments and your heart emojis in the comment box. So I hope you like my video very much and you learned the shoes designs and footwear fashion of my channel. So if you be a trend, then subscribe my channel and like this video. And you have any question, then comment me, please comment me. And which country you have seen me in comment box. Write the comment box which country. You will easily get these shoes online, but avoid sharing your details with any fake link, fake app or anywhere to avoid online scam. Check the website thoroughly before purchasing the shoes. The more clothes play a role in improving your personality, the more shoes you pay. If you pay as much attention to clothes as you pay to your shoes, then you must be a fashion lover or have a good sense of fashion. Because there is a society of dressing sense, no one has this problem, or you too should know that the shoes should always be very comfortable or soft, because the entire weight of your body is on the feet. If you ever wear high heel, then keep in mind whether you are comfortable in such heels. Your entire body's weight rests on your heels. If you do not care, it can cause pain in your feet. When you buy sandals, slippers, shoes, always keep in mind that you will not pay any attention to them. Many girls like such shoes in which she is not comfortable at all, or in bad times she is troubled by the problem of pain in her feet. She likes the shoes only because of their color or because of their beauty, or in bad times those shoes become the cause of pain in her feet. So it is very important to choose the right shoes, because even the slight wear of shoes can cause pain in your feet by causing blisters, which will cause pain even in wearing slippers. Some girls wearing sandals are worried about removing blisters from their bad feet. Hello guys, because they welcome are back to my channel Shoes Collection. It does not give them any comfort how are you, my friends? Or damage the skin, my dear subscribers and my beautiful viewers. Hence, as much as I hope that you will watch design, shoes ideas, color of those every day on shoes. My channel. You should also pay attention to their softness. Buy shoes. It is important to check whether follow these the shoes trend are comfortable for you or not. Till now, if you like I my have video shared many or have shoes come for video the first time on our channel, then you must subscribe to the channel. In the last video, I have shared different shoes designs. Favorite video from the section in all the designs, I have shared different shoes designs ideas. I hope you will like my video and subscribe to the channel, or you will make me even if you have not done so. Please do, because if you want to stay in the fashion trend and want to keep the fashion community, you can take many ideas from my channel. Watch the video till the end to see. This channel is all about footwear, shoes designs, ideas. It is necessary
to pay
Footwear
attention to the right
helps
size,
our personality to
color,
a great
comfortable.
extent
Show me
in
which
shaping
shoes
our fashion.
you like in the
Many
video.
people
Will do as
do not
required.
have the knowledge to choose
Shoes play a very important
fashion
role in
footwears
showing your
or
personality.
shoes because they
As much
do
as
not
is
follow any fashion
it is
channel.
necessary for girls to have makeup, bag or clothes, it
They
is equally
do not
important to choose
follow
the right
the
shoes.
trend and they
I
make
like to
fun
wear
of
different
themselves
type of
because
shoes
of
even when
their
I
bad
am in my
fashion.
life. When buying shoes, first of
You
all
can
you
buy
have to
these
look at this
shoes
fabric
online or
and
offline
material.
for anywhere,
If the
any
material of
marketplaces,
sandal is not good, then
any
design the shoes
market
is
and online
also
websites.
useless because
But
that thing becomes painful.
before buying the shoes,
There is
check
no point
everything
in wasting
carefully
money.
to avoid getting scammed
So you
online.
also select
Do
shoes,
not click
make its
on any fake
fabric,
link
material
and do
look
not
good
share your
so
information
that the
with
shoes are
anyone.
good only to look at or not comfortable at all.
Or at the time
The
of buying
fashion
shoes,
of wearing designer
the
shoes
choose the
has
size,
been going on
color,
since
or whether the shoes
ancient
are
times, or
comfortable or
whether
not.
it is a child or an adult. Everywhere
Or they
likes
choose
to wear
the shoes,
designer or
but by
beautiful
looking at
shoes
their design or
or
color,
even
or
in
they do
old
not
age the fashion of
immediately
footwear
think
will
whether
never
they are
end
comfortable,
because
soft,
footwear is as
or just like
important
them,
as
not
clothes.
taking like that
If fashion
at all.
footwear collection attracts
If you do
most
not
of the
pay
lovers of
attention
clothes,
to the
shoes
stones
are a part of
while buying shoes,
everyday life,
they can bite your
whether in
shoes,
daily use or
which
wedding
can
or
cause
party.
pain in your
It
feet.
is difficult to leave the house without footwear.
Therefore, while
There is
buying
no
shoes,
footwear
it is
in the
important to
house.
check the material
It is
and
also necessary
keep
to
in
keep
mind
bringing
its
new designs
softness.
of footwear every day
I hope
or even
you
in this
would
age.
like my information
The fashion of
or to
footwear
guide
can never
every
end.
subscriber. My
To see
aim
the new
is to
footwear
give
designs
correct
collection,
information to every viewer because
so
I
please
don't
subscribe to the
want to make the
subscribe
same
my
mistake
channel.
while
You
wearing
will get
shoes or feel
update
bad. Then you
of
can
your fashion
also do it
trend on this
because
channel,
you are
friends.
my subscriber, my viewers,
So
and I consider it
hopefully
my job to
you
take care
must
of
have
your
subscribed my
preference.
channel, liked the video,
So
or also clicked
only
on the
choose
bell
the right
icon
shoes before
for the new
purchasing.
video so that you can get my video first.
Check
I
the
hope you
shoes
like this
material, check
video.
the shoes
If you like
softness,
this shoes
comfortable,
collection, then
and
please
choose
like my video
everything
and
for
please subscribe my
footwear
channel.
because
I
the footwear
hope all the
choose
design
right
you
shoes
liked
is
very
very
much.
important to
If all the
your
designs
lifestyle.
you liked very much, please don't forget to like this video.
That's why
If
choose
you like
a
this
very
video, I
comfortable,
have
soft fabric
so happy.
material, and always keep in mind that
So please
choose
subscribe
the
my
shoes
channel
you
and
have.
like my video,
It's a good material and shoes you
and
have
please
choose to
comment
very
me.
comfortable.
If you have any question, then comment
If
me
you are choose wrong shoes,
so that you can get
so
the
you
next
can
video.
pain
Bye bye.
and shoe bite in your feet. Don't choose wrong shoes, wrong footwear. Don't select any wrong footwear to your feet. I hope you are a fashion lover, footwear lover, shoes lover. That's why you are watching this video. I am a very big fan of shoes and footwear collection. I wear very comfortable shoes, very soft designs, and when I purchasing the shoes, I I check the material of shoes and their softness and their comfortability. I have checked very carefully because it's of my footwear, so that's why I check the material and comfortability and the softness of footwear. So if you buying footwear, that you have check all these things. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like this information. So don't forget to like this video. Whenever you write something nice in a comment, you send me a heart, then I feel that I have earned my viewers. Whenever you write a nice comment, I feel very happy or get inspiration. So please like the video or comment. My heart will definitely send it. Please one heart emoji send me in comment box. I have so happy and shoes